Alright, hello, my name is Sarah. For my final, I did The Lives of Others and talked about that. So, I give a trailer, but I won't go into that for time's sake. And then I give a little summary of the plot, and I'll just go briefly into that. So, Gerd Weisler is an officer with the Stasi, the East German secret police, and this all takes place while the Berlin Wall is up and all that. So he goes to a play written by George Draiman, who's considered to be this really great citizen, and while he's watching the play, he gets a gut feeling that he's not as upstanding as he seems. So he calls for surveillance to be placed upon him, and Draiman's house ends up getting wired. And Weisler is tasked with listening to him, and slowly Weisler starts to care for him and Draiman's partner, which is Krista Maria. And so Draiman isn't as upstanding as he seems, and he's writing some stuff that goes against the socialist East Germany policies, but Draiman starts to care for them and tries to protect them, so he tries to cover their stuff from the Stasi. And he's somewhat of an anti-hero. He's wrapped up in his own political ideology of the Stasi, even though they're quite corrupt. And as the film progresses, he starts to question what they're doing as an organization, and his beliefs slowly start to change. And then I go a bit into the character of Weisler and how he doesn't have any reflector character, no character that he can go to externalize his feelings, so he has to act solely through facial expressions and body language, and it's very interesting. I included a little clip of this, but for some background information, Weisler overhears a phone call where Draiman is learning that his friend got hanged, and he has no words, and his facial expression stays the same, but we see a tear fall from his face, and it's a pivotal moment because it shows that he's starting to emphasize for Draiman. I apologize for the quality, it isn't great. I'll just play this. So if the quality was better, you would be able to see there's a tear falling down his face. But yeah, it's very unique, and his facial expression staying the same, but you can feel the pain just from his acting. And then I go into the film techniques and the lighting and shadows and stuff, and I use this to represent it. It's very gloomy lighting, shadows under his eyes. So yeah, I go a bit into that, and then I go more into the cultural significance and the knowledge that I had, and just my overall takeaways from the film. And then I just talk about what it was like. So I say it was very unique, and it had a very impactful story and message, and it was entertaining and educational, and honestly, I really enjoyed the film. And then I have my sources, and that's about it. So yeah, thank you.